CIS scholars. How are you all? I am also fine. Okay, children, I am also not going out. Okay, so we have to be at home and we have to be safe. Okay, children. Now, children, we have completed the textbook part. Okay, of which chapter, children? Yes, of more division chapter. Okay, now we are going to start with the workbook part of more division chapter, children. Okay, I know you are practicing the sums of long division method at home regularly. Okay, children, so you have to practice these sums, and from the workbook I will be solving few sums and rest of the sums you have to solve. Okay, children, you have to try. They are very simple, children. I know you can do it. Okay, so let's start with the workbook part, children.
Okay, children, so let's start with the workbook part. Okay, so in workbook we have worksheet number 1. Choose the correct options. Okay, now in choose the correct options, first question is quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder is equal to. Now children, this I have already told you that quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay, so your answer is dividend. Then second, how many 5s are there in 15? So children, you have to see the table of 5. Okay, now in 5 table, when 15 comes, 5 threes are 15. So your answer is 3. Okay, then seventh question. When we divide 0 by any number, we get the quotient as. Now children, whenever we are dividing 0 by any number, the quotient will be always 0. This we have already done in the properties of division. Okay, children, so these were the choose the correct option. Then next is worksheet number 2, divide the following. Now in this A, 15 divided by 3. Okay, so 15 divided by 3. So you have to see in 3 table 15 come, children. Yes, 3 5s are 15. Okay, then what is the remainder here? 0. 15 minus 15 is 0. Okay, so your quotient is 5 and remainder is 0. Now B, 42 divided by 7. Okay. Now children, when we divide 42 by 7, what is your quotient, children? In 7 table 42 come? Yes. 7 6 are 42. So 42 minus 42 is equal to 0. So your quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. Like this you have to do. Then C, 65 divided by 3. Okay, now here 65 divided by 3. Now you have to see whether in 3 table 65 come, children. No. So we will take one digit. Okay, children. So 3 twos are 6. We will take the first digit 6 and you have to see whether in 3 table 6 comes. Yes, 3 twos are 6. Okay, then 6 minus 6 is 0. Then bring this 5 down. Then again in 3 table 5 comes. No. Then you have to take the smaller number than 5. So 3 ones are 3. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so your remainder is 2 over here. So quotient is 21 and remainder is 2. Then in worksheet number 3, there are the story sums. Okay, so first story sum, rupees 416 was distributed equally among 4 people. How much money did each person get? Okay, so here what you have to do, children, 416 was distributed equally among 4 children. So each person how much they will get, okay, that you have to see. So here 416 divided by 4. So again we will take one digit, children. See, first digit is 4. So in 4 table 4 comes. Yes, 4 ones are 4. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. Then bring this 1 down. In 4 table 1 do not come. Okay, so what we will do, and smaller than 1 is 0. Okay, so what we will do, 4 zeros are 0. Okay, because if we are doing 4 ones are 4, then it will be greater than 1. So what we have to do, 4 zeros are 0. Then 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring this 6 down, then it will become 16. So 4 fours are 16, because in 4 table 16 comes, children. 4 fours are 16. So 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So each person got rupees 104. Like this you have to do, children. Okay. Then next is worksheet number 4. Do the following division. Now here 75 divided by 5. So when we divide this 75 by 5, what we will get, children? We will take one digit. So in 5 table this 7 comes? No. So take smaller number. 5 ones are 5. Okay. Then 7 minus 5 is 2. Then bring this 5 down. 5 5s are 25. Okay. So 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. Like this you have to do. So quotient is equal to 15 and remainder is equal to 0. Then next is 81 divided by 2. Okay. So 81 divided by 2, we will take first digit. So 8. 8 comes in 2 table. Yes, 2 fours are 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay. Then bring this 1 down, children. Now in 2 table 1 comes. No. Then what is the smaller number? 2 zeros are 0. Okay. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. So your quotient is 40 and your remainder is 1. Like this you have to do the division sums by long division method. And children, there are many sums in your workbook that you have to try and do it in your workbook. Few I have explained you and remaining you have to do. Okay, children? Till then, goodbye, children. We will meet again. Take care.